Hello, scholars! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the advanced features of PubMed to help you streamline your research process. Whether you're preparing for the United States medical licensing examination, working on your PhD thesis, or conducting comprehensive literature reviews. Let's get started. First, navigate to PubMed by typing pubmed.ncbi.nlm.ni.gov into your browser. Once here, you can begin with a broad search. Let's start by typing medical research into the search bar and pressing enter. This will give you a wide range of articles, including journal papers and reviews. To refine these results, we'll use the advanced search features. Click on the advanced link below the search bar. In the advanced search window, you can build more specific queries using various fields like author, title, and publication date. This helps in narrowing down the search results to more relevant articles. In the advanced search window, you can also use Boolean operators like AND, Oregon, and NOT. For instance, if you're looking for articles on USMLE but want to exclude MCAT, you can structure your search accordingly. This filters the results to include only those papers related to USMLE, excluding any irrelevant MCAT materials. Another powerful feature of PubMed is the use of medical subject headings or MESH terms. These standardized terms help improve the precision of your search. For example, if you're researching PhD thesis on machine learning in medicine, using MESH terms can significantly narrow down your results. To use MESH terms, click on MESH Database under Explore on the PubMed homepage. Search for relevant terms and add them to your query. This helps you find more precise and relevant articles. For citation management, PubMed provides various tools. Each article entry includes citation formats and direct links to citation managers like EndNote, Mendeley, or Zotero. Simply click on the Cite button to access these options. This makes it easier to organize and manage your references efficiently. PubMed also allows you to create alerts for new publications. Click on Create Alert after conducting a search, enter your email address, and you'll be notified whenever new papers matching your criteria are published. This feature ensures you stay updated with the latest research in your field. Lastly, to access full-text articles, look for the free full-text link on the left sidebar. If an article isn't freely available, check if your institution has access or use services like ResearchGate to request a copy from the author. This way, you can access the full content of the articles you need. By leveraging these advanced features, you can streamline your research process, stay updated with the latest publications, and effectively manage your citations. That's all for today's advanced guide to PubMed. We hope these tips will help you in your academic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more expert content. Happy researching!